Welcome to my class of mobile computing. Today we will learn Introduction to Mobile Database. Recent advances in portable and wireless technology have led to mobile computing, a new dimension in data communication and processing. Portable computing devices coupled with wired communication allows client to access data from virtually anywhere and at any time. The mobile computing platform allows users to establish communication with other users and to manage their work while they are mobile. This feature is especially useful to geographically dispersed organizations. What is mobile computing? For understanding mobile computing, first of all, we need to learn or we need to recapitulate the definition of wireless communication. What is the meaning of wireless communication? Wireless communication is a type of data communication that is performed and delivered wirelessly. This is a broad term that incorporates all procedures and forms of connecting and communicating between two or more devices using a wireless signal through wireless communication technologies and devices. What is mobile computing? Users with portable computers still have network connection while they move. Mobile computing is an umbrella term used to describe technologies that enable people to access network services anywhere, anytime, and any place. Fully connected information space. All type of devices are fully connected with the help of wireless communication. Wireless communication generally works through electromagnetic signals that are broadcast by an enabled device within the air, physical environment, or atmosphere. The sending device can be a sender or an intermediate device with the ability to propagate wireless signals. The communication between two devices occur when the destination or receiving intermediate devices capture these signal, creating a wireless communication bridge between the sender and the receiver. Wireless communication has various forms, technology, and delivery methods. Fully connected information space. Each node of information space has some communication capability. Some node can process information. Some node can communicate through voice channel. Some node can do both. Can be created and maintained by integrating legacy database systems and wired and wireless systems. Problems in mobile computing. There are number of hardware and software problems that must be resolved before the capabilities of mobile computing can be fully solved. Some of the software problems which may involve data management, transaction management, and database recovery have their origins in distributed database systems. In mobile computing, the problems are more difficult, mainly because of the limited and intermittent connectivity afforded by wireless communications. Second, the limited life of power supply, that is battery, the charging topology of the network. In addition, mobile computing introduces new architectural possibilities and challenges. Mobile objects. A mobile object is some code that carries a state, lives in a host, that visit place, which is let in when trusted and barred when untrusted, and will reuse to go to untrustworthy places. Mobile database. Mobile database is a database that can be connected to by a mobile computing device over a wireless mobile network. Mobile computing devices store and share data over a mobile network or a database which is actually stored by the mobile device. This could be list of contacts, price information, distance traveled or any other information. Many applications require the ability to download information from an information repository and operate on this information even when out of range or disconnected. An example of this is the contacts and calendar present in our phone. Mobile databases are separate from main databases and can easily be transported to various places. Even though they are not connected to main database, they can still communicate with the database to share and exchange data. The mobile database includes the following component: the main system database that stores all the data and is linked to the mobile database. The mobile database that allows user to view information even while on the move. It shares information with the main database. The device that uses the mobile database to access that data. The device can be mobile phone, laptop, etc. A communication link that allows the transfer of data between the mobile database and main database. Mobile databases physically separate from the central database server. Mobile database resided on mobile devices. They are capable of communicating with a central database server or other mobile client from remote sites, handle local queries without connectivity. Mobile data driven application enables to access any data from anywhere, anytime. The data in a database can be accessed from anywhere. It provides wireless database access. The database system are synchronized using mobile database and multiple users can access the data with seamless delivery process. Third, mobile database requires very less support and maintenance. The mobile database can be synchronized with multiple devices such as movies, computer devices, laptops, etc. Examples of mobile devices are Salesperson can update sales record on the move. Reporters can update new databases anytime. Doctors can retrieve patients' medical history from anywhere. Mobile databases are needed to support these applications data during during the processing capability. Mobile databases are needed to support these application data processing capabilities. Mobile computing architecture. The general architecture of a mobile platform is a distributed architecture where a number of stations, generally referred to as fixed host and base station, are removed fixed interconnected through a high speed network. Fixed hosts are general purpose computers that are not typically equipped to manage mobile unit but can be configured to do so. Base station functions as a gateway to the fixed network for the first time. Fixed hosts are general purpose computers that are not typically equipped to manage mobile unit but can be configured to do so. Base station functions as a gateway to the fixed network for the mobile unit. They are equipped with wireless internet network and other networks across services of which mobile units are client. Mobile computing architecture called base station. A base station is a piece of equipment that facilitates wireless communication between user equipment UE and network. User equipment are devices like microphone, mobile phone, WLL phone, computer with wireless internet connectivity, like etc. And base station, a network element that incorporates the mobile station or mobile unit to the network via the air interface. Example of cell. Each cell in the network has base station associated with it. The primary function of a base station is to maintain the air interface or medium for communication to any mobile unit within the cell. Other functions of BS are call processing, signaling, maintenance, and diagnostic. Mobile computing architecture. Under this architecture, we will learn mobile unit MU, also called mobile system or mobile host. Mobile units are battery powered portable computers that move freely in a geographic mobility domain, an area that is restricted by the limited bandwidth of wireless communication channel. It consists of three components: a transceiver, antenna, and user interface. The user interface exists only at mobile unit, which consists of a display, a keypad for entering information, and an audio interface for speaking and hearing voice conversation. This can be a laptop, a palm top, or a cell phone, or any other mobile devices. A downlink channel is used for sending data from a base station to a mobile unit, and an uplink channel is used for sending data from an MS to MU to its BS. Wireless communication. The wireless communication on which mobile units and base station communicate have bandwidth significantly lower than those of a wired communication. Some wireless access options allow seamless roaming throughout a geographical region. Example, cellular network, whereas Wi-Fi network are allocated Wi-Fi networks are Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, they are allocated around a base station. Some wireless networks such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth use unlicensed areas of frequency spectrum, which may cause interface with other appliances such as cordless telephone. Modern wireless network can transfer data in units called packet that are commonly used in wired network in order to conserve bandwidth. Wireless application must consider these characteristics when checking and communication option. Thank you for watching.